Legit. In this video, I will show you why you should use Shopify for your dropshipping business. As you can see that I am inside the members area of Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get an access to Shopify's 30 days free trial, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify for free for 30 days. Now let me show you how you can able to add your own products here on Shopify. All you have to do, just go there to products, and the products feature. This is whereby that you can able to add your own products here on Shopify. You can also import existing products here. If you already have products, you can also import them here. But now let me show you how to add your own product from scratch. Click there at the add button, product, add a product. I'm gonna click there, and then it's gonna take me to this page. So this page, you'll see this title. It is very, very important that you put the title of the product that you want to sell in a Shopify store. You have to put the title there. Then for the product description, guys, write the product description. But I use this AI feature from Shopify, which is gonna help me to write any product description for me automatically. I have to put some keywords here that are related to my product that I want to sell. And then I'm going to click here to generate. Take a look at this. In just a few seconds, this AI tool is going to write my product description for me automatically. As you can see, it is done. If you don't like the content, you can also generate it again. It's going to rewrite it again. I'm going to keep it done. After that, I'm going to go to media. Under media on Shopify, it allows me to upload images, to upload videos in my Shopify store. When you're done doing under media, you can also go to category. You have to choose relevant categories about your product that you'll be selling here on Shopify, guys. Now, after that, you're gonna go to pricing. Under pricing, you have to put the price that you want your customers to buy the product from you on in your Shopify store. Just put the price there. Then after you put the price, you're gonna go to this cost per item. Cost per item, it means that how much it is costing you to buy this product in your supplier. You're gonna put that thing there, and then it's gonna show you the profit that you'll be making and also the margins that you'll be making. Then for the inventory, leave a track quantity as default. Don't change anything there. This is how easy it is, guys, to upload your own new products on Shopify. You can just click here to save the button. It's gonna save your own product automatically in your Shopify store. Okay, now let's go to collections. Under collections on Shopify, it allows me to see how many collections I have. You can also create multiple collections there in a Shopify store. You can also check the purchase order histories. You can also go to customers. Under customers, you can see your customers' details, like the countries where they live, the emails and stuff like that. You can check them here, all of your customers' details there. You can also go to analytics. You can help to check on how your store it is performing based on the total sales that you have today. You can track everything that you want to see here under analytics, checking all of those things here, guys. Using Shopify, you can also check the online store sessions, how many visitors there are in your store right now. You can also check the online store conversion rate. You can also check the total orders. You can also check the average order value. You can also check the top selling products. If you're selling multiple products on Shopify, maybe you have 10 products, you can check them, which one is winning, so that you can focus on the products that is getting more orders, so that you can able to scale your Shopify store. You can also go to marketing. Under marketing on Shopify, it allows you to do email follow-ups on your customers who went through on the checkout page but they never purchased. You can also send email follow-ups to remind them so that they can able to buy so that they can buy your stores, guys, so that you can able to buy your products via emails. You can also offer some discounts, especially on holidays, maybe on Black Fridays, or maybe it's your birthday. You can give them 5% discount. People, they're gonna buy through you, especially on offering discounts. You can also use this done for you themes on Shopify, so that you can take an advantage of these done for you themes. But if you don't like these themes, you can also hire a freelancer on Fiverr for $20 to trade these themes for you, these stores for you automatically. So Shopify, this is a legit platform that you can use to make money by selling digits, by selling your own dropshipping products here, guys. If you want to get access to Shopify 30 days free trial, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. Take care and may God bless you sharp, guys.